Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss how to write the short note. Example: inside the body, any artery will be asked inside the short note, like femoral artery, axillary artery, interiliac artery, maxillary artery, facial artery, any artery. It can be asked inside the exam. You have to write inside with the following headings. Particularly, you write the introduction. It is the which region of the artery. Beginnings means where it start, or it is called the commencement. Where it end, it is called the terminations. Where it is end and where it is beginning, you have to write. It is the artery of the which. Like femoral artery, it is a continuation of external iliac and end at the hiatus magnus, and it is a continues as a popliteal artery. Then you have to mention the course and relation. You have to particularly cover the main course and relation, not in detail, but at least main course and relation you have to cover. Branches in brief. At least write the one or two sentence of the particular branches and which area it supplies, particularly where it goes. Clinical anatomy, concern with the related artery, like the femoral artery. We will discuss the femoral artery. The femoral artery, it is most commonly used for the angiography purpose or angioplasty, and also it is sometimes also used for the arterial blood gas analysis. It palpable. So this is the particular clinical anatomy, and generalize the atherosclerosis or arteriosclerosis or aneurysm, embolism, bleeding, rupture, thrombosis, collateral circulation, and artery. So these are the particular. Some artery are the end artery, like retinal artery or the coronary artery. Some like circle of Drummond's. It is considered as a end artery. You have to mention if it is if the artery which is asked, it is the actually the end artery, then you have to mention. So these are the general clinical aspect of the artery. Now introductions. Now we will. You have to. Now. You have to write down the introduction, particularly which area it lies and which area it supplies. The root value you have to write down. Course and relation into the brief, and branches. You have to, in following heading, you have to write down the branches. It supplies to the muscles, it supplies to the skin, then it is called the cutaneous. It supplies to the blood vessel, then it is called the vascular. If it is supplies to the joint, then it is called the articular branches. So in this heading, you have to write down the branches of the nerves. And the clinical anatomy particular to the topics, the nerve you should write. Like we will take the femoral nerve. Then the femoral nerve, it is the compressions of the femoral nerve. It is may be occur due to the femoral hernia, or it may be occurs due to the any pelvic tumor or something. So it is a compressions of the nerve or either tumor of the femoral nerve. So, and generalize, you have to write down the generalized tumor of the nerve itself. It is called the any tumor of the nerve which is not coming from the neurons, but it is coming from the neuroglial cells. Neurons never multiply or might multiply. So that's why it is the tumor is never coming from the neuron. And generalize, you have to write the compression of nerve or branches of the nerve which is compressed or injury to the nerve. So this is about to the nerve. In following heading, you have to write the nerves. Spaces and fossa. Any spaces like the mid-palmar spaces or popliteal fossa or cubital fossa. This kind of the short note, you have to write down the introduction. You have to write down where it locate, what is the boundary. Normally, maximum boundary are the 6 boundary, either superior boundary, either it is called the roof, inferior boundary, or it is called the floor, medial boundary, lateral boundary, anterior boundary, posterior boundary, like istiorectal fossa. So this kind of the short note, you have to write down the boundaries, then you write down the content, and also clinical anatomy. If any joint will be asked, then particularly you have to write the types, subtypes, like the hip joint. Then you have to write it is a multi-axial synovial joint, ball and socket variety of the joints. Then articular surface of the joint, which are the two bones like the acetabulum and head of the femur. Stability of the joint, any joint have a more stability, then there is a decrease the moment. It is inversely related. The ligaments of the joints, moment of the joints, nerve supply of the joints, blood supply of the joints, and clinical anatomy. In this heading, you have to write down the short note of the joints. Like any muscles which is asked inside the short note, then you have to write the introduction, particularly if it is from the which compartment, or particular the shape according to its name which is given. So you write down the introduction, you have to write down the origin, you have to write down the insertion of the muscle, action of the muscles. If it is muscle size which is larger, then the which structure undercover the muscles, like the deltoid, gluteus maximus, this kind of the muscles which is asked. Then you have to write the which structure undercover by the muscles. You have to write down the nerve supply and clinical anatomy, or it is called the applied anatomy. I have kept some examples of the each and every particular, like here I have kept the femoral artery example, and you can see there is a introduction or commencement, end of the terminations, and the course. Like the femoral artery have a course inside the both the places, like it have a course and relation inside the femoral triangle, as well as it is have a inside the adductor canal. I have written I have written in detail, but you have to at least remember 3 to 4 lines of the course and relations, main and branches. I have mentioned all 7 branches, 6 branches inside the femoral triangle, but the 7th branch, it is the descending genicular, which is not inside the femoral triangle. So I have mentioned it in detail, but you have to at least should write down the 1 or 2 lines of the each artery. Then applied anatomy. So this I have kept all the applied anatomy of the femoral artery. Mainly it is used for the cardiac catheterization, femoral artery occlusion at the either inguinal ligament or hiatus magnus. It is either at the origin or either at the end of the artery. There is a occlusion of the artery. Another, I have put the brachial artery. Same thing. You have to 2 example I have kept. This is the example of the nerve where origin, or it is the which compartment of the nerve. Root value you have to write down, course and relation. Yeah. And you have to also, wherever there is a required, you have to put the figure, and also branches. If it is divided into the anterior and posterior division, then you have to write which are the branches of anterior division, which are the branches of posterior division. So you have to mention this way. Then I have branches here written, the muscular branches of the axillary. It is supplies to the deltoid and teres minor. Cutaneous branches to the skin over the lower half of the deltoid and upper part of the long head of triceps. Articular to the shoulder joint. You have to and vascular branches to the posterior circumflex humeral. You have to remember there is a Hilton's law where if any muscles crosses to the joint, like the deltoid which crosses to the shoulder joint, so whatever the nerve supplies to the deltoid, it is also supplies to the shoulder joints. Applied anatomy, I have mentioned the axillary nerve which is damaged due to the dislocation of the shoulder joint or subluxation, fracture of the neck of the humerus. So it may due to the rounded counter which is lost. Here I have keep the another example of the obturator now, and you have to write down the short note in this way. And the facial spaces of the hand I have which are the facial spaces you have to mention. First is the mid palmar's space, where it lies, what is the boundaries, what is the applied anatomy, what is the content, if it is the and infection of this space happens, so where you have to keep the incision. So this is the figure of this space, and this is a thinner space, and same it is all these boundaries and content, and this is a pulp of the space, and this is the pulse space. So this is a facial space. I have keep the example of the one of the space. Another example of the space, here you can see this is the space of Perona. So this is the all are facial spaces. Another example I have keep this here, the popliteal fossa. You have to write down the introduction, boundaries of the popliteal fossa. Then you have to write down the content of the popliteal fossa. Then you have to mention the clinical anatomy of the popliteal fossa. So you have to write down all the things in under this heading, and you have to complete the short note. And I also mention wherever required, you at least put the figure of the popliteal fossa. Hip joint, if it is the joint anywhere asked, then you have to write down the types, subtypes, stability of the joint, strength, articular surface of the joints, and then the ligaments of the joint. At least write down the ligament into the at least 2 to 3 lines. You have to mention each ligaments, not in detail, but at least you should where it attach on the both the sides. At least you should write the and the strength of the ligament you have to write. If it is rupture, then what happens. So these are the ligaments I have keep here. This is the moment of the hip joint, flexion, extension. If it is multi-axial, then it work into the all 3 axes, anteroposterior, transverse axis, and vertical axis. If it is some joints are the biaxial, or some joint are uniaxial. So in this way, the arterial blood supply of the joint you have to write down. No supply of the joint you should write down. Clinical anatomy, sprain particularly, dislocation of the joint, subluxation of the joint, partial dislocation, it is called the subluxation. Arthritis, it is mainly it is mainly occur into the old age. After the 45 years or 50 years, it is start the arthritis. Coxa vera, coxa vulga, fracture of the neck of the femur, vascular necrosis of the head of the femur, hip replacement. So these are the clinical aspect of the joint. So you should write in following heading the short note. Hope you will enjoy the lecture. Thank you.